AI can now create full songs, lyrics, vocals, instrumentals in just minutes. And the crazy part is you don't need any music production skills at all. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own songs with AI, from completely beginner level to advanced techniques that allows you to control how your song sounds. Alright, so this is Suno AI. We're now at the homepage, and honestly, it's very easy to get started. Right here, you see a prompt bar at the top, but we're not going to use that just yet. So if you scroll down, you see a bunch of songs created by other users. This is actually really useful because you can click into them and see how people are writing their prompts, how they structure their lyrics and styles. It's a really good way to get inspiration. But now we are going to create our own song. So let's head over and click on Create. Now on this page, you see a few main sections on the side. So right now it is at simple mode, which we're not going to use that. We're going to head over to advanced. So over here you can see lyrics, styles, and more options. For the model, you see a few options. There is version 4, 4.5, 4.5 Pro, 4.5 Plus Pro, and version 5. So we're just gonna use 4.5 all because the other are premium functions, which we are going to show you on the next video. So we're just gonna stick with 4.5 all since it's free and still gives solid results. Now over here is where you input your lyrics, and right next to it is where you define your style. And under more options, you can tweak a few more things. You can change your vocal gender, whether you want it to be male or female, and if you uncheck it, it's just gonna run auto. And over here there's lyrics mode, which we want to use manual. Weirdness is how unexpected the result is going to be. So if you crank it up, it's going to give you more unexpected results. And style influence is basically how much you want to match your style description that you typed. If you go 100, it's gonna follow more, and if you crank it down to maybe like 10 or 20%, it's gonna give you more out of the box kind of results. So right now I want to generate my lyrics. I'm not going to focus too much on that because this is not a song about writing. So I'm just going to type in a very simple prompt like write me a hip hop song. And look at that, within a few minutes I already have a solid lyrics. I'm just going to copy this. I'm not going to read the whole lyrics over here. So we're going to go back to Suno AI and paste in the lyrics. So you can maximize the box over here. So we have the intro, we have the verse, we have the chorus, second verse, and then we're gonna double the chorus over here. So for styles, you can type in whatever style that you want. For this instance, I'm just gonna type in hip hop trap. And for vocal, I'm just gonna set it on auto and click on create. So as you can see, every time I click create, it's gonna have two different variations. And it's going to cost 10 credits each time when you click create. So let's listen to the first variation.
Big money talk, overload. Pull up smooth, engine hum like silk. Chain too bright, got it dripping like milk. Stack so tall, yeah, it built on will. Now every deal getting signed, no guilt. Wrist on froze, got a room on pause. Every step make noise, no flaws in the cause. Used to count coins, now I count applause. Now on time, I don't check the cost. Closet all custom, dress too clean. Every fit sharp like a cut routine. From a small room to a big regime. Now I live life like a lucid dream. I'm rich, yeah the numbers don't lie. Money stacked tall, touching up to the sky. Gold on me, let it gleam, let it shine. Whole team eat, yeah we all in prime. I'm rich, every move precise.
Okay, so that sounds pretty decent. Now, let's say if you want to change the style, you can always type in hip hop, and we want to go for something like Linkin Park. So maybe type in new metal as well. Now let's click create and see the results.
Pull up smooth, engine hum like silk. Chain too bright, got it dripping like milk. Stack so tall, yeah, built on will. Now every deal getting signed, no guilt. Wrist on froze, got the room on pause. Every step make noise, no flaws in the cause. Used to count coins, now I count applause. Now I own time, I don't check the cost. Closet all custom, threads too clean. Every fit sharp like a cut routine. From a small room to a big regime.
right, so I would say that is very close to what we asked for. Yeah. Another technique that I want to show you over here is how you can control how the music sounds. Whatever we did just now is that we get a random track, a random instrumental, and we simply don't have control over the music itself. What if you want a certain rhythm? What if you want to have a certain beat that you have in your mind? I want to demonstrate this by clicking audio over here, and then we can click on record. So it's gonna bring up this recorder, and I'm just gonna hum a tune that I have in my head into the microphone. Now, we're just gonna click on record over here, and I'm gonna start humming. Ba 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 dum zi dum zi ba 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 ba. So we're just gonna click on save. And then instead of saving to library, we're going to click on cover and hit continue. So it's going to upload my clip real quick. Now, what this does is that it's going to take my humming as a reference and generate something different. Let's delete all the lyrics over here and scroll down. For styles, we're just going to type in hip hop trap music. And we're going to hit on create, and let's listen to the results that it's giving me. Ba 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 dum zi dum zi ba 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 ba. Think that is really, really good. Now, how about can we change it to other styles of music? So let's say if we click on piano, violin, jazz, and let's hit create and let's listen to it. The next thing that I want to demonstrate this is, can you use this instrumental that you have created and make it into a song? So let's say if we want to use this hip hop trap beat that we did, we can head over to click on the options tab and then head over to remix and click on cover. So what we're going to do is that we're going to overwrite this, and then we're going to paste in the lyrics that we had and click on create. So now that we have a instrumental that we want, now we want to fill it up with lyrics. So what this does is that it takes whatever that we generated and then it use it as a reference and add lyrics inside. So let's listen to the output over here.
Yeah. You see the glow, you know the code. Big money talk, overload. Pull up smooth engine, hum like silk. Chain too bright, got it dripping like milk. Stack so tall, yeah, built on will. Now every deal getting signed, no guilt. Wrist on froze, got the room on pause. Every step make noise, no flaws in the cause. Used to count coins, now I count applause. Now on time, I don't check the.
So yeah, that's Suno AI, and as you can see, you can do quite a lot with the free version. It gives you free credits, and honestly, it's more than enough to get you started. So I think to conclude all that, the question is, can Suno replace actual musicians or producers? I would say we are not quite there yet. I think you still need actual talented artists to refine the process, but this would definitely help you to create much more faster, much more efficient, turn a idea into, a demo really, really quick. So stay tuned for part 2 where we explore deeper into Suno. And my name is Ryan Wei. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.